In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean Wix website from a blank canvas step by step. By the end, you'll have a polished homepage, an about page, a products or portfolio page, a working menu, and your site live on the web. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your dashboard. Click Create New Site or the closest option you see. When Wix asks what kind of website you want, choose Studio, then Studio Blank Canvas, or simply pick Blank Canvas. Click Select, and Wix will open the Blank Canvas editor for your new site. This route gives you the most control over layout and styling, which is perfect for a custom look. Inside the editor, head to the Design section to set the visual style for your site. Choose a home or welcome page layout that fits your vibe. Minimal, bold, or artistic. Click to apply it. Don't worry about perfection yet. You can always refine colors, fonts, and backgrounds later. Aim for clear typography and good contrast so text is easy to read. Next, add an About page. Open the Pages panel on the left, click Add Page, name it About, and click Done. Go back to the Design section and pick an About-themed layout that complements your homepage's style. Apply it, then customize the text to share your story or mission. Swap in a photo or background image, and keep your colors and fonts consistent across both pages. Consistency makes your site feel intentional and professional. Now add a Products, Portfolio, or Services page. In the Pages menu, click Add Page again, name it accordingly, and click Done. Open Design and choose a layout optimized for showcasing items. A grid, card layout, or an image forward design works well. Apply it, replace any sample images with your actual products, projects, or service visuals, and fine-tune spacing, colors, and text to match your overall look. Use clear titles and concise descriptions, and keep image sizes consistent for a tidy layout. Set up your site navigation by going to Pages and opening Menu or Manage Menu. Add your home or welcome page, your about page, and your products, portfolio, or services page. Arrange them in the order you prefer. Home, about, then products is a solid default. And confirm each item links to the correct page. Before going live, click Preview the eye icon to check both desktop and mobile views. Ensure the menu works, links are correct, and your design is consistent. When everything looks good, click Publish at the top right. After a moment, click Go to Live Site to see your site on the web. That's all for today. Thank you for